Guys, there is the seat belts. Remember the seat belts in the side.
Seat belts?
Yeah, there is the side. The side. Turvavyö äiti sinä.
I cannot find any.
Missä täällä on turvavyö?
Seat belts.
En näe.
No, there's not.
Ei ole turvavyötä.
There is no seat belts. There is no seat belt. In India, rarely actually people use the seat belts. But of course, ABfamily always says, remember to use your seat belt. Welcome to the Iewmawlong village market. Here with my family, here with my sister and my mother. Last time when I was here, I was describing the Iewmawlong so many times, very wrongly, but yes, it is Iewmawlong. Iewmawlong. How was it again? Something like that. But here we are. Busy marketplace. Iewmawlong. Oliko se nyt hitto niin, että se oli Iewmawlong vai mikä tää oli? Oliko se näin? Taisi tää olla. Ja täällähän mä tein sen yhden jakson, missä mä jaoin ilmatteeksi noita jätskejä.
Ai niin.
Tää on se. Hello brother! How are you? This is Iewmawlong, right?
Yes, Iewmawlong.
Iewmawlong. Yeah. Okay. Iewmawlong village. Welcome back again, guys. Taking the whole road. That's how you need to drive here in India. But yeah, there was the place where I was giving the ice cream away. Unfortunately, there is no ice cream stand today. Looks like that, and it's also winter time. Even it's a little bit hot today. It's a good weather, but no ice cream guy. People are not buying ice cream on winter, or what? Is it so? We go that way, no? What? Yes, that is later. Let's go and see. Let's go and see. Don't get lost. Okay. Especially for my mother, she has so beautiful red hair that there's no way that she's gonna get lost anywhere. Always can spot her here and there. Here is also you can buy a chicken like that. Siinä on kukko. Tälleen ne pitää ne. Erilaisia kukkoja, erilaisia kukkoja. Somebody is playing music. Somebody is carrying a water. Somebody is driving a tuk-tuk. Auto. Where is my mother, my sister? They are coming nicely. We go here. Oh, somebody is singing something. Oh, he's singing. I know this man. Bless this man. I think he's blind, nah? And he's singing very nicely. We're gonna keep something for him, nah? No doubt about that. Hello, kumno pilong. Piang to. As always, bless people more. Okay, and we're gonna continue. So busy, and so many chickens are around here. So many chicken, my goodness. You need to go like this only here because it's very. Hello. Flowers also, beautiful flowers. Women always love flowers, isn't it? That's what. Kerran oli semmonen keissi, että pyydettiin kutsu meidät syömään lehmän jalkaa. Niin mä ajattelin, että jumalauta, sehän on semmonen ihan mehukas kunnon. Niin siinä, se on tommonen. Sen ja kato, nää tykkää siitä. Nää tykkää erittäin paljon siitä. Hello, how are you? Yeah, good. I'm good. Yes. Okay. Hello. Come on, Pilong. Piang to. Hello, brother. You have some beef. You have a lot of beef. Could you give me a good piece? You give me a half kg more. Half kg. Good piece. Not so much fat. Not so much fat, nah. So he's the master of beef cutting. You're master, nah? No. He's the master. Välillä yskii vähän käteen ja sitten leikkaa uudestaan. Ei se mitään, se pestää, kato. Mut tässä on, this is our meat, mikä se on englanniksi? Tiski. This is our meat table. That's how we buy meat here in India, in our village. In Finnish we say liha tiski, like that. Joo, siinä on. This is mikä toi on? Siinä on nahka. Possun nahkaa tuossa oikein.
Skin.
Ketna pesa? Ketna pesa? 230. Acha. So we buy some veggies also. Potatoes, tomatoes, garlic. Let me tell you guys, garlic is a medicine. It is a big medicine. If you take one garlic raw every morning, you get strong. Okay. You have green salad? Hoga? Nahi. Okay. Kitna peso? We're trying to look for green leaf. Green leaf. Green leaf. Where is a green leaf? Green leaf. Where is green leaf? To go like that. Find any green leaf. Need to call my wife. My wife knows better. Kana, chicken. Yes. Chicken. Tungrymbai. Oh, tungrymbai. Biang tungrymbai. Also,
I give a little bit first.
mommy also for tungrymbai. How is the tungrymbai? Taste of tungrymbai. Khasi. Chicken more? Yes, 2 kg. 2 kg chicken. This Kong is gonna make a chicken for us. Nicely. Come now, Pilang. Come now, Biang. Biang. Good. Come now, Pilang means how are you, and Biang means good. Like that. Or then you can say Klein. I'm teaching Khasi already. Suki. Like that. Suki. Slowly.